PPE is for pussies.
Right here, the little snail. I already see it right here. Two snails, two turbos.
Alright, we back with another video. This time we doing an exhaust delete with my boy Gilbert. Just not gonna say too much, we're gonna get straight into it. Oh man, with the fresh tint, this shit is looking clean.
So already what I'm expecting out of this is like the little droning that's gonna come from it. But I've definitely heard a lot of 10th gens that do this, you know, the little muffler delete. And they have that drone like... That stock exhaust, stock road, and it's not too loud here, you know? So you know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna be good.
Boom, this is what it sounds like when it's nice and calm. Nice dual exhaust setup. Nice and calm so far. We gonna change all of that. Looking up, he got some sauce over there.
About to see him at Honda Day next year for sure.
How you feel about this?
I can't wait, honestly. I'm going to New York tomorrow.
Oh, and you going to New York? Oh, you about to show out.
Like outside, so we're about to just be terrorizing the streets 2 in the morning. Typical Civic shit.
That's some bad boy content.
Nice little loop-de-loop hole.
The turbo right here, the little snail. I already see it right here. Two snails,
really.
twin turbos.
Yeah, look at him cheesing.
I approve.
I'll be going crazy through the speed bump still. That's what kept popping up.
You over there cheesing.
Thank you for convincing me.
Hey man, I'm always down.
You me to get the tints and convince you to get this, and you gotta get to move on.
You know, I am, ask Eli, I'm always down to make bad decisions.
I'm gonna no look it.
PPE is for pussies.
Where'd Jenny go?
Story of my life.
Oh, just finishing up my post here. Y'all tune in at 6 CL9 on the gram. You'll see what's coming.
I've seen people like this. I've seen. I know.
I'm fucking with it like that.
I'm not gonna lie, Gilbert, you kind of dripping right now. What's on the feet, bro? You kind of. And you got Jaden, and then you got me, bro.
You some beaters, bro.
What? OTF.
But you're the most cozy though.
I am very comfortable.
I'm fucking shivering in this shit, yo.
Yo, oh damn. If it's one thing about me, I'm gonna be comfortable.
looked up and I looked directly into it.
Gotta look it through the camera. Yo, honestly, you would get paid money. I know somebody who's doing it. You ready? Nice and calm, nice and calm. You want them or? Sí, lo voy a llevar. A nice little trophy. Go down to the street, do a little pull. I'll just record it real quick. So, yeah, you like it?
Yeah, no, I actually love it.
Let's see how it sounds inside.
Nah, inside, it's actually a bigger difference inside than it is out, I feel like.
I think it sounds pretty nice.
Yeah, that just sounds great. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want us to do next. Just leave in the comment. We read every single comment, so just let us know what you want next or what we should do next time. You know, just let us know. Yeah, peace you guys out.
Fuck with the gang cause they know that we poppin'. VV the S and a little bit of shopping. Talking that dirty, then we get the mopping. Your bitch in the back and she topping. Cannot forget me, I've been on the conscience. Got her ass tied up like a hostage. And I've been outside. Them bitches wanna kill me. I'm a step for mine.